Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to generate AI images using Canva easily. Let's get started. First open Canva and create a new design. Choose the size that fits your project. For this video I'm selecting the Instagram post size. Now go to the left toolbar and click on Apps. In the search bar type AI Image Generator. You will see multiple image generating apps appear. Let's try the first one and open it. In the aspect ratio section, you can choose the size of your image. For example, I am selecting 2 to 3. Next, in the describe your image section, type the prompt you want to generate. For example, I will write a horse in the farm. Once you are happy with your description, click on generate. If you're satisfied with the generated image, add it to your design and adjust it to fit your background. Feel free to experiment with different prompts to create unique generated images. That's how you can generate AI images in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I appreciate your support and I hope you have an amazing day.